if you want to live a happy, exciting, grateful life until your last breath, ask me what? Your job here is personal transformation. And this might be your beginning. This might be your genesis of how we can now really create a life wherein kahit wala kang information, kahit wala kang motivation, yung buhay na gusto mo, kusang nangyayari. Okay ba yon? Which is the first thing here is I'd like you to understand, your business is never about your business, but it is a direct reflection of your level of your personal transformation. Pwede bang magyabang, right? So I own 34 companies, and these are not just pocho-pocho companies. These are huge. These are change maker of the country. And yet, I have all the time to enjoy what I want to enjoy in my life. But somehow, when you see my social media, 95 to 99% of what they do is never about work. Ask me why. Because everyone in my team understand that the only way we can create our result is through transformation. Because when you transform yourself, when you transform everyone in your team, if they need information, they look for it. If they need instruction, they will instruct themselves. And yet, you don't need to motivate them. You just have to support them with the word of transformation. That is where I'm coming from.